was Miss Karen. Don't tell my agent I'm doing 10
Again. Karen, don't tell. Oh my God! I turned her. Oh, this is incredible. Oh my God! They're getting sexual ready for me.
There's some big guy in there fighting to get back in.
Get through. It cannot get through. Oh my God! This Mexican nature is so funny.
Yeah.
Oh.
Oh, they're doing a big
you see,
circle.
It's incredible.
Now you see where they get the idea of the fan dances,
Yeah.
eh?
Oh, everything is in nature. It's beautiful.
Oh, they're
my
coming.
God,
They're coming for us.
They're coming. Oh my God. Oh, they're getting ready. Oh, the feathers. These. Oh my God, he's putting up. Oh, the feathers in the back, you see, it's incredible.
It is. I wonder if we could do, we should almost invent a game now where we go running up and we play, we see if we can grab a feather, and that could be a child's game, you know, like a Mexican child game.
Grab a feather, yes.
Grab a feather. Let's go play grab a feather.
I should grab a feather? No.